Verifying your identity on LinkedIn can sometimes be challenging, especially if your initial attempt fails. Follow these steps to successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that all the information you provided during the verification process is accurate. Double-check your name, address, and any identification numbers to avoid discrepancies. Step 2. Review verification requirements. Familiarize yourself with the specific requirements for identity verification on LinkedIn. This may include acceptable forms of identification, proof of address, and any additional documentation needed. Step 3. Resubmit your documents. If your initial verification failed, gather the required documents again and resubmit them. Make sure they are clear and legible, as blurry or unclear images can lead to rejection. Step 4. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting your documents or contacting support, be patient while waiting for a response. Verification processes can take time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your status. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of successfully verifying your identity on LinkedIn. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek assistance from the support team.